Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I've got this super weird sort of fake Nintendo Game Boy game to show you guys. So it's called Super 32 in 1. This game is really sort of a weird thing. It's got the Mario from Mario 64 printed all over the box. I got this game quite a long time ago and I've never really played it. So as you can see, it's got all the games on the back here. So the first game on the cart is Mario 4, which is kind of weird. You'd expect like a, you know, sort of really popular game to sort of be number 1. So I've no idea what Mario 4 is. So it goes Mario 4, Indiana Jones, and then Mario 1. So, and it doesn't have Mario 2 and 3 on here. So yeah, this is definitely a weird game. As you can see, it's sort of like the background art. It's actually got Super Mario 64, but instead of the 64, they've just stuck a 4 there instead. And that is the same with the artwork on the front. So yeah, it's pretty much got a motorbike, Mario 64, some tennis game, Indiana Jones, and yeah, some weird games here which I have no idea what they are. It's got Dr. Mario here as well. So let's just go ahead and unbox this right now. So it's a very basic box. It actually comes with this plastic insert, and this is pretty bad because the plastic insert doesn't even fit the cartridge. So the cartridge just moves around and it just sort of just falls out. So yeah, you're not actually able to secure the cartridge in this box in any way. So here's the cartridge itself. It's literally just got the back of the box printed on it. As you can see, it's all sort of, it's not lined up at all either. This plastic belt here doesn't say Game Boy or Nintendo or anything like that. So yeah, it's a pretty bad knockoff. But let's give this a try anyway, because you never know, it might actually be quite good. So I've got my Game Boy Color here. I'm just going to try this on this first. So, hang on a sec. It doesn't even go in the slot. Look at that. It's literally just stuck. I have no idea what the problem is. Oh my gosh. If it's the Game Boy Color itself, or it's the cartridge. I have played other Game Boy games on this Game Boy Color, so I'm pretty sure it's the cartridge, but yeah. This cartridge is, yeah, flipping terrible. Okay, we're going to try this on my Game Boy Advance SP. Oh my gosh, that does not feel good. So let's just boot this thing up right now. So we've got Mario 4, Indiana Jones, Mario 1. Let's try Mario 4. What just happened? Oh, we have to press start on it. Okay, let's try Mario 4 first and see what happens. Oh my gosh, that's actually the Mario 64 boot screen. And look at Mario's face. What is this game? Ready? What the heck is this? Wow, I thought this was going to be like, you know, Super Mario World ripoff. What the heck is this? It's kind of weird how it gave me a 1-up like to start. Oh my gosh. That is weird. I did not expect this, to be honest. We're going to have to try Mario 1 after this. Okay, let's try Mario 1 real quick. Let's just turn this back on and off. So there is Mario 1. Let's just press start on that. Yeah, so this is what I was expecting, Super Mario Land. Because this is like the most well-known Mario game for Game Boy, and it's, you know, it's actually a pretty good game. Definitely playable. You can stretch the screen out on Game Boy Advance as well, but I don't really like to do that. Okay, let's just see what other games we've got. So we've got, if there's anything unusual, I'll probably play it. SP Mario 4? That's probably just Dr. Mario, isn't it? Oh, is it this game just copied again? Wow, that's bad, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same flipping game. Mario Story 4? Mario Story? Oh my gosh, guys, this cartridge sucks. And that's just Super Mario Land again. Alright, so this cartridge is terrible. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.